Have you ever wanted to own a lot of land? If so, you should go to the southern colonies in the New World, which include Maryland, Virginia, North Carolina, South Carolina, and Georgia.
With beautiful mountains on the east and lots of rivers, it has warm climate and mild winters.
Here in the southern colonies, you can own a large plantation like this one. You can also own slaves like these guys that can't vote and must live on your plantation. And you also don't have to pay them.
You will have a great business with the other colonies if you grow tobacco, rice, cotton, and lumber.
Many crops can be traded with the New England colonies for farming tools and other equipment.
If you don't like the crowded life, then the southern colonies are for you. With very few plantations in the county and no cities, you won't feel crowded at all.